Hai teman-teman, sahabat-sahabat, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today, Aunty will be cooking Nasi Ulam with Grilled Indian Mackerel and Budu Sauce. So come, let's join Aunty. Alright friends, so these are the Indian mackerel that I'm gonna grill. And this one I already washed clean, already scaled. The scale has been removed, the stomach has been removed. And I'm gonna marinate this with a simple ingredient of about 6 cloves of garlic and the spices. This one is coriander and fennel, 1 tablespoon each, as well as black peppercorn I'm going to crush, as well as salt and ajinomoto. Okay, I put in the salt. This is about 1 teaspoon and half teaspoon of ajinomoto. Okay, that's it. Okay, and then this one, the spices I add in. And black peppercorn. Alright, and I'm gonna crush garlic. One tablespoon of cooking oil. This is cooking oil. Oops, okay. That's it. Alright, we mix it. This one set aside. Alright, the pan is hot already. So I start on to grill the fish. And this fish has been marinated for about half an hour. Okay. And the pan I already greased with cooking oil. Alright. Slow bit the flame. Alright. Let it grill until it's cooked. Cover it so that it will grill faster. Alright. Let's check how is it. Ooh, beautiful. Wow. Okay, continue to grill. On bigger flame a bit. Alright. Let it continue to cook. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, let's check. Oh, it's cooked already. Oh, ready to serve. Alright friends, here are the ingredients that I used to mix with the ulam rice. And this one is of course Thai coriander. And this one is cilantro. And this one is Indian pennywort. As well as this one is ginger tosh. Or tosh ginger and long beans. So these are the ingredients Auntie is gonna mix inside the rice later on. Okay, stay tuned, guys. Alright, this is how Nasi Ulam is with all the ingredients. And this is ready to serve. Okay, mix it. Ooh, yummy. Very nice smell. Alright friends, this is the ending of Auntie's cooking just now. Nasi Ulam with grilled Indian mackerel and Budu sauce. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video. God bless all. Do subscribe, like, comment and share.